Children use the internet daily for education, entertainment, and social connection. However, this constant exposure also places them within reach of cyberbullying, scams, and harmful content. You cannot out-tech every threat. Open dialogue provides a level of security that monitoring software cannot replicate. This is a guide to conducting a trusted digital safety check-in, a methodical approach to securing your child's digital life through collaboration. Success depends on the environment. Before you start, find a quiet window of time, remove your own digital distractions, and commit to a calm, patient mindset. Establishing this low-stress baseline is a requirement. If a child senses anxiety or frustration, they are likely to become defensive and withhold information. Physical positioning dictates the tone of the conversation. Sit beside your child rather than standing over them, creating a sense of side-by-side collaboration. Avoid the interrogation trap. When you loom over a child's shoulder and demand to know what they are doing, you signal suspicion rather than offering support. Open the dialogue with curiosity. What game are you playing? Who do you usually talk to? Or did anything today make you uncomfortable? When an approach is successful, the child's posture typically relaxes, and they will often turn the screen toward you to share what they are seeing. This combination of collaborative physical posture and non-judgmental freezing bypasses the child's defensive instincts and invites transparency. Eventually, this process will work, and your child will admit to facing a digital threat, such as a strange message or online pressure. Your response in this moment is critical. Remain calm, listen without interrupting, and thank them for having the courage to tell you. Many parents feel an immediate urge to seize the device to remove the threat. This confiscation reflex is often the most damaging reaction a parent can have. If a child reports a problem and immediately loses their device, they learn that honesty results in a loss of their social lifeline. This ensures they will hide the next incident to avoid further punishment. Fighting the urge to take the phone away demonstrates you are a partner in their safety, rather than an additional source of trouble. Once the situation is de-escalated, move immediately to the technical steps required to neutralize the threat. Preserve the incident. Use the device's specific button combination to capture a screenshot of the harmful interaction for your records. Next, have your child navigate directly to the source of the threat, such as the perpetrator's profile or the specific message thread. Ask the child to find the blocking function. Let them press the button that cuts off the perpetrator's access. Ensure the account is set to private, limiting who can message them. Having the child physically perform these actions ensures they know how to use these tools independently, especially when you aren't there to assist. Co-piloting these steps transforms digital safety from a parental mandate into a team-based defense strategy. With the immediate threat resolved, shift the focus toward proactive boundaries that prevent future incidents. Establish 5 non-negotiable items that must never be shared online: passwords, addresses, school details, private photos, and any other personal information. Explain that these rules exist because digital identities are easily faked. On the internet, people are rarely who they claim to be. This anonymity allows strangers to masquerade as peers or friends to gain a child's trust and extract their data. Clear boundaries remove the burden of judgment from the child. They no longer have to decide who is trustworthy. They simply follow the rule that personal data is never shared. By the end of this check-in, you have secured the device and, more importantly, reinforced the trust between you and your child. Digital safety is a continuous practice. Integrate these check-ins into your family's normal routine so they become a standard part of using the internet. End the conversation by making your availability clear. Tell them you can always come to me. No matter how much technology evolves, the strongest parental control is a trusted conversation.